These are powerful and to-the-point interviews when it comes to optimal health and prevention from experts in their field. Don't miss out, or you may just be misled. Hey warriors, Nicole Andrews here. Welcome back to another episode of Eternity Talks. Today I have the pleasure of talking to Chef Green, who you may have seen him at local farmers markets and a true staple at these markets, my friends. So today we're going to talk about sea moss in particular. I thought we were just going to talk about sea moss because I had never heard of it before. He said, no, we have to talk about the burdock root and the Bladdwrack. It goes with the sea moss, so I'm assuming it provides a synergistic effect.
True.
Okay, you want to tell us a little bit about what these things are?
Okay, we're going to start off first with the sea moss, since it's more important. We have like 92 minerals in it.
92 minerals.
92 minerals. And,
nice.
It's good for the cartilage, it's good for the skin, it's good for the tissues, it's good for remove mucus
That's
and
so
inflammation
important.
from the lungs. And it balances the hormones and the thyroid. So it's have a lot of efficiencies.
Amazing.
In it, and that we have like burdock roots, which is a roots. Which is very effective.
Roots rock reggae.
Yeah, roots rock reggae. So we had the burdock roots, and then we had the Bladdwrack, which is another agent from the ocean, which is full of iodine.
Like a
all
seaweed.
these three can be meant together and put together for essential use of the whole structure of the body. A lot of energy from these stuff. These three go together.
Okay. Well, when you get this, what do you do with it?
We have to clean it, wash the salt out first, get rid of the salt, most of the salt.
Okay.
And you can add.
So you rinse it.
Yeah, you rinse it, and you rinse it with Keylime.
And if you don't have Keylime,
you can use a lemon.
Lime or lemon is better.
Yeah,
okay.
It's got seeds in it.
Good to know.
So you rinse all the salt out, then you put it on a small container on the fire with water.
For 2 days, and then
when you clean the mush, then you put it in that water.
Got it. So if I take this, I just rinse it till the salt's off. Salt is out.
Right.
And then we take it and we put it into lemon juice and let it soak.
And water and some more water. And let it soak for a couple days.
Couple days, okay.
And then you get blend it into a smoothie.
And
so like
maybe make a little jar of it. And in your smoothie every day.
Every day.
You're gonna be jumping off of buildings like Spider-Man. There's no like fishy, seaweedy taste, right?
You use a lemon to get rid of the
That's right. It's all about preparation and marination.
Right.
I marinate every night at about 4 o'clock.
Okay, great. Also use 2 tablespoons in this if you're gonna do baking. Use 2 tablespoons as the egg replacement.
2 tablespoons equals 1 egg.
Right.
A vegan egg replacement.
Right. It's the Eastern Caribbean.
Okay, so is there sea moss from all over?
Yeah, people get it from, plenty other places, like from the Atlantic Ocean, from the Philippines,
But the Caribbean is
the Caribbean carry a different version of it.
How can the Caribbean not be the best?
Better, it's a much better.
There's a good vibe in the Caribbean Ocean.
The texture of it is a little bit smaller than the mash that come from Philippines or St. Lucia. This one is like a dry sea moss, which is very good.
Anything in less processed form is better for us. So Chef Green is really giving you the raw material. It's like real Eternity food.
The real thing.
This is where you get it, and we're gonna have Chef Green's information down in the description if you want to order it. It's all about quality. So Chef Green at markets, and it's always so good. Raw food, vegan food.
Keep it real.
Oh my goodness.
15
Good,
years.
can you inspire us? Such a pleasure to have you.
Thank you again for enjoying the program, and thank you for seeing what I got to offer to you. It's a pleasure.
Have a great day.